Finding tricks and tips are a little bit tricky, right? That's why we call these tricks. Never mind. Hey guys, I am Sounak and it was the ORS intro and you are watching Tech Review. As you guys can see, this is the RealMe C1 and running on Color OS 5.1. I guess you have noticed that there are no navigation buttons, and yeah, you have guessed it right, I am using gestures. To enable this, go to settings and then go to smart and convenient. From there select swipe up gestures. There are many kind of gestures and you can pick anyone. Also you can hide those gesture bars if you want to. To get the battery and network speed, you have to open settings again and tap on the status bar, and from there turn on these two options. Another little thing is to lock an app in the background. All you have to do is open recent apps and then swipe down and tap on the lock. And now you can clear your RAM without closing important apps. Sometimes using gestures is a problem. That's when the Assistive Ball comes handy. To activate the ball, go to settings and here and here and then turn it on, and now you can program the buttons the way you like tap once for back, double tap for recent apps, tap and hold for home, or you can do whatever you want to do. If you are a night owl just like me, then the night mode is a great solution for you and for me. By turning this on from the notification bar, it will bring a yellow cover on the screen, and also there is a quit mode which similar to do not disturb mode, and I guess you know what is do not disturb mode. If you want to use multi-window, then all you have to do just swipe up by using 3 finger. Swipe down to open the notification bar, and maybe you know that you can edit the notification bar by doing this, and also you can find the one hand mode here. It's handy when you are using one hand. That's why it's called one hand mode, right? To change your lock from pin to pattern, open settings and go to face and passcodes, and then lock skin passcode. Tap on modify passcode and then other encryption method, and from there you can choose the pattern and other type locks and select that encryption method that you want to use. If you want to locate your device remotely, then open settings and from there go to security page. From the security page, open find my device and make sure that is turned on. To take a screenshot, there is a shortcut. Just swipe down 3 fingers and it will take a screenshot. And if you want to take a long screenshot, then take a screenshot and then tap on the screenshot, and from there you can take a long screenshot by doing this. Also you can do other things like editing, cropping and etc. This RealMe C1 has a game space mode, and if you open games from there, you can lock the brightness, you can block notifications, and you can control the performance from balance, low power, to performance. The device has a feature called pick to wake up. So if you don't want to tap the power button again and again, then open settings and open smart and convenient and then gesture and then motion, and from there turn this option on. If you go to smart call, then you'll find a lot of cool stuff there, like flip to mute, auto answer, and more. One more cool stuff is that if you swipe down from the home screen, then you will end up on this search bar and you can web search or you can search for your apps. One camera trick: open settings, go to system apps, tap on camera, and from here you can do a lot of stuff like watermark or grid or flip selfies and a lot of things. If you are in a dark room and want to unlock your device with your face, then open settings and go to face and passcode, tap on face and then turn this option on. If you want to unlock your device without swiping up from the lock screen, then you have to go settings again and then turn on this option. Well, that's all for this video. If I get a good response from this video, then I'll make another part because there are many more tricks and tips. Thanks for watching this video. If it has helped you guys, then hit the like button and don't forget to share with the RealMe C1 users. And hit the subscribe and the bell icon because review of this device is coming soon. And if you want the part 2 of tips and tricks of this device is also coming soon. Thank you.